Ariana's tutorial. Today we'll make an addition book. So like this it will look like. See? So we have a paper clip, 2 blue papers, 1 pencil, and 3 packages of diamond stickers. So we'll start with the first page of paper. So I'll take 4 stickers, maybe 5, because I'm a big girl. So this is 4, and then I need 1 more. So see, 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stickers. Then we'll make a plus. See, plus. So see, I made a plus, and maybe we can put this shape on the other side. Maybe we can take 3. Oh, nothing. 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Now you will help your fingers that you will know which number this is. So 5 and 3. This is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 more. 8 equals 8. So now you do equals and then 8. So now we'll start with another page. So we put the other page here. Put the paper clip over here. See the paper clip? Now it comes full when I'm doing my addition book. So maybe I can use 11 stickers. Or maybe 11 stickers. Oh man. Let's maybe do this. Let's maybe do a subtraction side also. 1 addition and 1 subtraction side. So I'll do some subtractions. Let me do like bigger numbers because I'm a good girl. So let me think about a big number. I think I know the big number. You'll never guess it. 10. And I mean 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So minus, draw a minus here in the middle. And there we can actually take 2 away. That's easy. So we took away 2 of them. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you didn't do the correct answer, you know what to do if you didn't do the correct answer? You can start all over again. But only your subtraction, not addition. See, equals 9. So this is our addition book. This is a addition book because this is addition and this is addition. And this is subtraction and addition. Bye, see you later. About my addition books are so fabulous. Bye.